Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. Today I have a old build 1971 Plymouth GTX, which I believe is the same kit as the Fast and the Furious Dom 71 GTX. I seen this and it dawned on me, hey, wait a minute, that's the same car. But this build, I don't remember when I did it. It's been a while. If I can find a picture of the original box, I'll put that on here right now. And here is the original instructions. 71 Plymouth GTX from Revell. It was kit number 7608, 124 scale. Not a whole lot of instructions. It's a pretty simple kit. Yeah, putting things together, gluing them in place. There's the back. Yeah, it was 21 steps. And of course, you know, if you wanted to add decals and paint and stuff, it'd be a little more involved. But that was that. I'm sorry, I don't. Oh, here we go. I don't even have to look it up. 1995. So this kit is 30 years old already. Wow, that's crazy. It was a Revell monogram out of Morton Grove, Illinois. And here's the build. I don't have a clue what I did to the engine. I mean, it's literally been in this case since 1995. Once I built it, I put it in there. It's very reminiscent of like a Joker Goon car. It's got that purple with green door panels and white seats. It's pretty crazy. Oh, and look, I've got a yellow steering column to go with it. Wow, I was out there. Let's see. There's the engine. Oh boy, look at that, guys. I didn't even bother to paint the engine. That is too funny. I got some green weird looking sidewalls there. Inner fenders, I mean. Yeah, not a whole lot going on in there. This was an experiment, that's what I'll say. There's the little scoop part for the bottom. That's kind of cool. We'll just put that down there. We won't talk about that no more. Let me see if I have it tied down. I do have it wired down, or do I? No, I don't. Let me go ahead and pop that down a sec. Let's see. There you go. There's the bottom. Whoa, got them nice yellow wheels. Nice. Look at that, guys. Looks like a 4-year-old did this one, but I mean, it is what it is. The color is kind of cool. It's got like a almost a color shifting pattern to it on the bottom. It's green, but yet has purple highlights, and the car itself is more purple. I don't know what happened there. Like I said, it was 30 years ago. But that's that. I'm going to put it back on the base here, and I'll spin it for you. There's the rear end. It has a little bit of color changing whatever there. I did not paint the lights red. That's interesting. Yeah, this must have been a quick build. I don't know what was going on in my life at the time, but I apparently blew right through this one. That's funny. Well, there you go, folks. I hope you enjoyed that one. Like I said, a Revell 1971 Plymouth GTX. Thanks everybody for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.